Hey you guys, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to be trying to install this e-brake that I purchased on Amazon for $44. I also bought a blue button for it that was $11, and they're both above 4.3 stars on Amazon. So overall, it looks like most people don't really have an issue with this. Visually, I like the look. The price is very affordable, so let's just go ahead and get into it. Now, I will say that unfortunately my button that I received, it doesn't look used, but it has like a scratch on the edge, which is quite annoying, but doesn't really bother me, so I'm still going to install it on the car. Alright, so first things first, I'm going to move the car because I'm going to need the extension cord to use the heat gun. So let's go ahead and do that now. And also, my brother installed the new Vland headlights, which looks so much better than the OEM ones, which there's nothing wrong with the OEM, but the clear coat was peeling off and the water got inside, so it would like fog up in the inside. So anyways, let's go ahead and start the car. So I got the heat gun. Go ahead and fire it up. It'll be easy, they said. Stuck on there. And I also bought these steering wheel protectors, which obviously is not like the full traditional wheel that's going to cover. I don't know if I'm going to keep them on, but I just want to see how they look. So let's go ahead and put them on. Alright, so that's what it looks like with it on. I don't know if I love it, but I don't hate it either. It's easy to put on. There's no adhesive inside, so that's what I like, but it was harder aligning it, just to both sides. I know my steering wheel is a little bit on the side right now. Woo! Huge storm coming in, so I'll just try to hurry up and show you guys the final, stuff. But wow, getting a lot of flower debris here. So yeah, I'm gonna leave it at that. I'll just leave it on for now, but I don't know if I'll keep it. They do have a red one. They have a black version as well. But yeah, thanks for watching, you guys. I'll see you guys in the next one.